Hey, how you doing? All right, guys. So I did quite a bit of work off camera. Today I'll be going through that. And last clip you saw was me. I needed to do the plumb the unloaders, and I need to get some of the other stuff. I got the fuel, the gas tank set up. I got the water line set up and everything, and I ended up testing out the soft wash system, and it worked phenomenal. Maybe today we might get some clips of everything in operation. We'll see how far we get today, but like I said, you're gonna see a little bit of stuff here going on, and hopefully I get to test it out today, test everything out. Okay, so what I have done is I have water filling up now, just so I can test everything. The unloader, you can see here, I have made my line to come here to my downstream bypass, mounted everything, and I got a 90 here, on and off. Got my bypass, comes around, goes down to my water inlet, and swoops around here and comes up nice and neat. And I have the same for the 4 gallon a minute. I got my width line here that goes out. And like I said, I temporarily ran my soft wash pump just to make sure everything runs good and all the above. And like I said, it worked phenomenal. I just got a little bucket of Ajax soap. Let's see. So now today I'm gonna mainly focus on getting that mounted and secure, paint the legs and get that secured down, and trying to get this thing started and running. Because like I said, I haven't got it running yet, and I'd love to see this thing run today. So I got some gas. I'm gonna fill up this tank right now, and I'm going to try and crank this thing up. I ain't got time for that. See what this So we got a few leaks. I just got to tighten some stuff up, but we're good, man. We're good, ready to rock and roll. 4 gallon a minute, give me a headache, but I'll get it sorted out. right where this is at is where I want it. So I'm going to get my Sharpie, mark the corners, and I'll be using these to mount it. So move this as far back as possible. This is where I'm going to put my surface cleaners here. That's fine. Perfect, perfect. So I'm going to take everything out of this, paint the legs, and then I'll mount it all. And then that's it. As I said in my first video, I'm not no painter, but I'll get the job done. And you see, right? I'm not painting the whole thing because nobody's gonna see it. I won't see it, you won't see it, customer won't see it. So really, does it matter? No. So this right here, I'm gonna take that and mount it inside. At the moment, I don't feel like building another one, so I'm gonna take that and put it inside. Leave this on here. This will be back up. If I just need to wash, it'll be fine. Got 2 straps I gotta put back, new straps I gotta put on there. Same color as the orange ones. Have them in the truck. And I'm pretty sure we're ready to go. Mount that back there. I'm gonna swap this old pump out for the new one, and I'm going to use wire nuts for this to get a good connection, not just hand tying them like that. And we should be good with that. say that I'm finished, but there's always improvement. So got it down. It's not going anywhere. Surface cleaners. I'm gonna just run 100 foot of hose, test out both surface cleaners for the 4 and the 8. Check for any leaks again, and clean everything up. And I gotta, depending on the weather, it's supposed to be freezing cold tomorrow, but we'll see. Depending on the weather, I got a job in the morning, so hopefully that the weather holds up and we can get it done, whether in the morning or the afternoon. I'll hold off. This morning it was about, what, 30 something degrees. Nobody wants to work in that, so it's good. It's concrete work, but still 30 degrees, it's not enjoyable. Can't really be very productive when you're soaking wet in 30 degrees. So right now it's about 45, 50, and I can work in that. So hopefully tomorrow will be about that same temperature. All right, guys. So I'll probably put you on the time lapse and just clean up. And if I do get to operate the surface cleaners, make sure I bring you along.